Hi everyone, welcome back to PM's Wig Adventure. It's this time of the week where I show you what I'm wearing for outfits and wigs. So for outfits, I have this really pretty black top with these cute black shorts. I have just a basic purple top with some basic jean shorts. I have basic white top with this orange skirt. I have a black and white dress. I have this multicolored dress. And then I have this, it's a jumper. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, it's a jumper. Okay, so that is the clothes for the week. Really kind of mixed up the colors this week. So now if we go over here, I really wanted to wear the wigs I got this week. I got really excited about them. So we're going to try the Glow, Vivica Fox's Glow dark brown. I didn't get to wear the Amazon, that red Amazon one from last week. I've got the Carefree Wendy in F2216 that I haven't worn yet. That's the Emmett that I got from Tia Maria, the 1B off black. I got another one from Vivica Fox. I pulled out a blonde, so I got Easton in Sunkissed Blonde 1426A. Then I've got the Envy from Bobbi down there in Espresso. And then as a backup, I still have Brooks over there in the right. It's more than, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7 wigs, but I only have enough space up there for 6 outfits. But you know, I always keep extras. So there they are, the wigs for the week and the outfits for the week. So that's what's going to be coming up. All right. Thanks for stopping by.